Dude, just quit playing around and get in front of the camera already so we can shoot this thing. Come on, man. You're all just get in front of the camera already. Just do it. We just gotta knock this out. It's not a big deal. Just do it. God.
All right. Thank you. No, really, thank you.
Okay, not a problem.
Okay, all right. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the shop. It's been a long time, and actually, I'm making this video to address the elephant in the room. Where have I been, and what's happened with the channel? And one, I apologize for the buzzed, excited, drunken video that I posted, I don't know, a couple weeks ago. I did in fact quit my corporate job. So good news, I will be doing this full time now. So, cue the sound effect. Yeah! Okay, so, yeah. I haven't posted a video in a long time, and I'm really excited about it, and I just want to explain what you're going to see in the next coming weeks. I'm going to be posting, hopefully getting back to regular content, hopefully one video every other week or so.
Bullshit!
Gonna try. And so you may see some videos where I actually still have my mullet and some where I have short hair again. It'll be back and forth because, you know, I've got a lot of really cool content that I shot over the past year that I just haven't put out yet. Life got in the way. I was killed my corporate job, and that's one of the reasons why I quit, to do this, to get back to you guys. And, you know, for anyone who's still watching and following this channel, I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. And so I think it's time to get back to it, to get back to working on these things that kick my ass. Really excited about it. And yeah, so just here's some things in the backlog. I just want to just give you a little teaser. First off, SEMA 2022. Yeah, that was last year. But you know what? We got some tasty footage that I'm just not going to let go to waste.
Who cares?
Shut up, Kai. You helped shoot this, okay?
Fair enough.
All right, so we're going to share what we saw last year in SEMA, and it's for me, okay? Just let me do it for me. Got some E46 content. I mean, if you follow me on Instagram, I've already been teasing the E46 content, but I bought an E46 last year and whatever, okay, let me do it. Got some Nissan content, D21 content, Xterra content. Over the past year, I've been working on truck stuff, so the channel is moving beyond the track, still doing some stuff on track.
What about the bus?
Dude. That was a secret. Maybe some bus stuff? I don't know. We'll see. Maybe some Subaru stuff again. Maybe some old diesel things. I don't know if there's a bus involved. I don't know who said anything about a bus. But yeah, I mean, who doesn't like diesel content, right? And then, like I said, truck stuff. You know, way before I got into cars, before I got into European things, I was into lifted trucks, specifically Jeeps, Land Cruisers, old 7.3 Fords and stuff. So my idea is, now that I'm doing this full time, I want to expand the channel into everything automotive, everything garage, shop life, and all that. And I'm just excited to get back to doing this full time. So just bear with me. And like I said, if you see videos where I got long hair and then short hair and long hair again, and then new videos where I'm kind of awkward because I haven't been in front of the camera in a while, just bear with me. But I'm happy to be back. Thanks for watching. If you've been a subscriber, thanks. And if you're just stumbling on this video, subscribe. It's gonna be fun. Anything else, Kai?
That's about it.
All right. Like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.